Whenever you are with me, basically nothing else has any significance in my reality. Since I am with all that genuinely matters you. You love me like no other person, and I wow until the end of time. Love you as you have never been adored. I commitment to treat you exceptional till my final guess. You are my reality and my beginning and I am honored to have you. I love you more than you know, my dearest. Cherishing somebody and being adored back the same way is the most satisfying thing in the whole world. I love you. I am sending you this message to let you know that nobody matters in my day to day existence like you. I love you beyond anything that can be put into words. Attractive indeed. I do. My man, my dear spouse, my soulmate. I will cherish you for eternity. Wherever I go, all that I do, each thought in my mind. You are the only one I consider darling. I love you. I am infatuated with you. I revere you and I can't quite pondering you. The manner in which you kiss me creeps me out. Your grin illuminates my day and your giggle makes my heart skirt a thumb. You cause me to feel total. I am glad for the man that I am today and it's all because of somebody that is unique as astounding. Wonderful, mindful, and cherishing. And that somebody is you, my affection. You realize I love you. Why? All things considered, I do. 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 I continuously have and consistently will. For me, yo, adoration is the most valuable thing on the planet. Your sweet love makes me indescribably pleased with endless satisfaction. It's an honor to have you as my perfect partner. I feel fortunate each second. Love can't be depicted. It has no shape. It has no structure. Love is not an article. Love does not adjust. Love enters our lives the second we are conceived. From the support to the grave, love is in everybody. Love consumes like candle that occasionally gleams. However, never kicks the bucket. Love might be imperceptible in spite of the fact that it's right before your eyes. Love can lead you can't. Love can restore you. Love can present the movement of truth you. Love is in your spirit. Love is in your heart. Love is to you. Love does not segregate. Love is dependably visually impaired. Love is general. It incorporates the glow. Regardless of where you are. Love has a language all its own. Love is surrounding you. There is a lot of adoration in access. You can't see or contact it. However, love is all over the place. Love is the best power, but it is so little. Love a gift from God to be shared among everyone of us. Please subscribe for more videos.